Hi everyone, it's LD here. Hope you're all doing well. So I've got another hit kit layout and I'm using the August 2020 mood board as my inspiration, but I'm using the July 2020 kits. And yeah, this layout's a bit bittersweet because it will be my last layout as part of the hit kit design team. I've decided to take a step back from most of my teams, and yeah, I mean, I'll really miss the hip kits. I absolutely love getting these kits every month, and yeah, I will miss making videos and sharing them with you, but I can't wait to see what you know, the new team will be coming up with. Yeah, it's always just so much inspiration every single day from the hip kits. It's just, yeah, a brilliant little community. So yeah, I'm sorry to not be part of it anymore, but yeah, I hope to be back again in the future. So you might be able to see from what I've just been doing on the screen, I'm making little paper rosettes for this layout. I was inspired by, I think it's grapefruits, this grapefruit image on the mood board, and that reminded me of the rosettes that we get in the embellishment kit, I think. And yeah, I thought, oh, why don't I create my own? So yeah, that's what I did. As you can see, I'm using lots of pattern papers. I love the colour scheme of this month's kit. I just love like the combination of like sort of like that dark navy blue with the oranges and the pinks and the yellows, and yeah, it's just right up my alley. So yeah, I made sure I varied all the paper rosettes in their sizes. I used a scoring board just to score each fold at 1/4 inch, and I felt like that's quite like a nice size because it's like dimensional enough but without being like really bulky. This layout does have a lot of bulk, but I think I could actually squish it into a page protector. I might just trim the 12 by 12 sheet down a little bit just to give it a bit more wiggle room, but yeah, I definitely think yeah, it would fit into a page protector. Might be a bit might get a bit squished, but it's fine. Yeah, I just, yeah, the effect of it is just so yeah, striking, I guess. Yeah, it's just something like this. It's so simple to do, but it's packs a punch, I think. So yeah, I'm just making sure that all the colours are balanced and everything, and I chose this random photo that I had on my stash, and I thought that it went quite well with the stuff from Simple Stories, the thickers, and there's one that says ugh on it, and I thought that was quite funny, and I fussy cut that what does it say, mentally somewhere else, which I thought was really great because a lot of scrapbook collections have like really sort of flouncy happy phrases, and I just thought that was just not it was just kind of great. And yeah, I'm basically gluing everything down with my hot glue gun, and that was partly because I was being slightly lazy, but also the rosettes stick better when you use hot glue. It really like sort of grabs them, and I hate my hot glue gun. I hate using it because it's just one of those like really cheap ones, and it works fine, so like I'm loath to replace it with something a bit fancier, but anyway, I'll persevere. First world problems, right? And yeah, I'm just adding a lot of sort of a few of those Simple Story chipboard embellishments, as well as the Maggie Holmes sticker book stuff, and yeah, I'm just making sure that all the rosettes have a centre. I think they look a bit odd without it, so I'm using my 1-inch circle punch to punch a few sort of different pieces of cardstock and things like that. I use some of the pink glitter card from the cardstock kit, and I am obsessed with it. It's just a really lovely sort of muted pink colour. Yeah, it just adds a very nice little bit of subtle sparkle, which I approve of. I also, on that top right rosette, the blue one, I actually pulled the top a bit from one of the pre-made rosettes from the Maggie Holmes collection, and yeah, it just kind of fit perfectly, and it was like the right size. So yeah, I don't really mind pulling things apart like that, because it just makes it more usable, and I've kept the little white bit that's left over, and I'll just, you know, figure out another way to use it. I'll just create my own like different topper for it. So yeah, I'm, you know, since the rosettes are so busy and there's kind of like, they're all over the page, I just wanted to add like a few little smatterings of some things, just to kind of balance out all the colours and shapes and that. And then I just got a bit sticker happy and just added so many of these like Maggie Holmes stickers. Yeah, I just love like the little flowers and the little bees and ladybugs and things. I think it's just cute. So yeah, I also added that crown on top of my head, because I thought that's just funny, and I love doing stupid stuff like that on a layout. Yeah, I just thought, well, it fits perfectly, so might as well. Doesn't really make sense, but anyway. Yeah, and also that yellow can, I think that's sort of like, is it hairspray maybe or something? But I just thought, yeah, that's the right colour. It goes, it's fun, why not? Yeah, just the little bits and pieces from the sticker book were so useful, and I also ended up adding some of the Echo Park enamel dots, and yeah, I just love this layout actually. Yeah, I just really like how it turned out. It's just kind of fun and sort of a bit crazy, and yeah, I just love all the colours and all the papers. So yeah, really enjoyed this one. I think I'm coming to the end now. So yeah, here are some photos and here are some close-ups, and yeah, just thank you to everyone for all your kind comments and things like that over the past year or so. I'll leave links to the hit kit below, so make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, you check out the gorgeousness that is the hit kit. So yeah, I usually say I'll see you in my next video, but yeah, I don't want to say goodbye. I'll say I'll see you later. My god, that was dramatic of me. Okay, bye everyone.